Friends, in this video we are going to learn about previous years and expected MCQ which may ask to your board exam, that is chapter Human Geography, Nature and Scope. So watch the video till the end, it is the most benefited. Before face the board exam, you must watch this video. I am requesting you to watch the video till the end. So let's start without wasting time. So first question, which of the following statement does not describe geography? So option given, an integrative discipline, it is also describe geography. Option B, study of interrelationship between the human and environment, it is a definition of human geography. And subject to dualism means human geography can be studied as a discipline subject by two approach, that is nomothetic and adiagraphic. Move to here option D, not relevant in the present time due to the development of technology, it does not describe geography. So its correct answer is option D. Move to next question number 2. Which of the following is not source of geographical information? Traveler's account is a source of geographical information. Old maps also, and samples of rock material from the moon. It is also provides raw material about to know the moon. So it is also source of geographical information. But ancient epic maybe provide about geographical information, but it is not so relevant as these are. So here option D is not source of geographical information. So its answer is option D. Move to next question number 3. Which of the following is not an approach in human geography? So option given, areal differentiation, spatial organization, quantitative revolution, exploration and description. Here quantitative revolution is not approach of human geography. Move to next. Which approach was supported by the Vidal-de-la Blache? Which approach was supported by the Vidal-de-la Blache? Vidal-de-la Blache supported the approach Possibilism, means for human being everything can possible. It is known as Possibilism. Move to next question number 5. Which approach was supported by Friedrich Ratzel? Friedrich Ratzel supported the Determinism theory. Move to next question number 6. What are the two books written by Friedrich Ratzel? Friedrich Ratzel written Anthropogeography and Politisse geography, means political geography. These two books. So here both A and B is correct. Move to next question number 7. Definition of human geography. Human geography study changing relationship between unresting man and unstable earth, given by whom? It is given by Alan C. Sample. Move to next question number 8. Which element is not a part of cultural environment? Here climate is not a part of cultural environment. These are environment, but climate is a factor affecting population distribution, density and growth. It is affect human. Move to next. Which element is called Mother Nature. So physical environment is called Mother Nature because nature provides all the necessities elements, all the necessity things to the provide to human being. So here physical environment is its correct answer. Move to next. Who coined the word geography? Eratosthenes coined the word geography, but he was not he was he is not the father of geography. Hecataeus is the father of geography because he written Jess period It is a complete description of the earth before the end of 6th century he published. Move to next. Which concept helped the discovery of fire? So friction concept helped the discovery of fire. Who was the father of geography? Some student having doubt about father of geography between these Eratosthenes and Hecataeus, but I am clearing you that Hecataeus is the father of geography. Hecataeus is the father of geography because he written Jess period. I am Jess period. Believe me, Hecataeus is the father of geography. Which of the following is correct, as geography is a field of study as integrative, empirical and practical? All of the above is correct. Move to next question number 14. Which of the following is correct about Jess period? It was written by Hecataeus, correct. Published before the end of 6th century, it is also correct. And it provides first systematic description of the world, it is also correct. So all of the above is correct answer. Option D. Move to next question number 15. Who proposed the concept near determinism? Near determinism is the middle path between determinism, means naturalization of human, and possibilism, means humanization of nature, means everything possible for human. So it is the middle path between these two theory. It is introduced by the Griffin Taylor. So option D will be correct. Question number 16. Which of the following is correct about neo-determinism? It is also known as stop and go theory, so it is correct. So there is neither absolute necessity nor absolute freedom, so it is also correct. It is middle path between determinism and possibilism, it is also correct. So all of the above is correct. You can write if 5-mark question come, then these points you can write. Okay, move to next. Which of the following is correct? So welfare school of thought in human geography is mainly concerned with social well-being of the people, and it included aspects of health, education and housing. It is correct. Welfare school of thought mainly emphasis on welfare of the people by providing education, health, good food and housing. Radical school of thought, they need a drastic change in their society, like destruction of caste and dividend rule, like upper caste, lower caste. They do not believe on that. They need a drastic change in society by destroying poverty, deprivation and social inequality. So it is also correct. Behavioral school of thought laid emphasis on lived experience. It is also correct. So all of the above is correct. Here option D will be correct. Move to next question number 18. Who said human geography is the synthetic study of relationship between human society and earth surface. It is also very important for class 12th board exam. It is said by the Friedrich Ratzel. It is definition of human geography given by Friedrich Ratzel. Move to next question number 19. Which of the factors is the most consideration for relationship between humans and environment? It is technology. Technology is the most important factor that maintain a relationship between human and environment. Question number 20. Which of the following is incorrect about determinism? It is also known as naturalization of human. It is correct. Means nature is active and human is passive. It is correct. Supported by German school of thought. It is correct. Given by Friedrich Ratzel. It is also correct. Here option D. Human is active and nature is passive. It is incorrect. Here in determinism, human is passive with low level of technology and nature is active with powerful force. Move to next question number 21. Which concept shows that there is neither absolute necessity nor absolute freedom? So here option given near-determinism. Near-determinism is the middle path between determinism and possibilism. Possibilism. It is the middle path between determinism and possibilism. It is introduced by Griffin Taylor. Move to next question number 22. Arrange the following approach in sequence order according to their development. First of all, regional approach. For example, Odisha. Odisha is a region, but areal differentiation means a particular district. Maybe it is areal differentiation. So here, first of all, in early colonial period, exploration and description. In later colonial period, regional analysis and it is a understanding part of totality would lead to understanding the whole. And in 1930 interval, areal differentiation find uniqueness of any region. And between 1950 to 1960, spatial organization means apply technology to geography, means there is statistical methods apply in geography in 1950 to 1960. So due to this, some geographers thought that there should be we should secure the nature of geography. That's why they come with a different thought, radical school of thought, humanistic school of thought, behavioral school of thought. So then in 1970 they come with so many school like radical school of thought, humanistic school of thought and behavioral school of thought. They emerged to secure the nature of geography. And in 1990, postmodernism time approach generalization and apply of universal law to understand the geography. So here first is regional. It is one. First will be 3, then 2, then 4, then first is areal differentiation. First regional approach, then areal differentiation, then spatial organization, then humanistic approach. So option C will be correct. Move to next question number 20. So this was the last video. This was the last MCQ of this video. Chapter Human Geography, Nature and Scope. If you are benefited from this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel and like it and share to your friends so that they can get information from this video and helpful for their board exam. Thank you.